Hi there everybody, it's Sanna here again today, and I'm back with the Wild Hare Kits November kits wrap up and sharing with you all the products that all the projects that I created with the product. And I'm starting with the cards. I did a set of 3 cards, really clean and simple, basically just adding pattern paper and embellishments on top of each other with some washi tape here and some Spiegelmom scraps sequins and die cut shapes from One Canoe 2, and the paper is from Heidi Swap. And also here the same thing, 3D foam and some die cuts from One Canoe 2 and the Heidi Swap paper, and this one is from Jen Hatfield. This is Family. Just layering everything on top of each other here. And for this card I used the Heidi Swap stencil set that came in my kit, and added some distress ink onto the background through the stencil, then added some Spiegelmom scrap sequins, some Jen Hatfield paper, and also washi tape from Heidi Swap. And then I created the 30 times Grateful mini album for the group challenge or theme of this month, and I've created a mini book that has pages in 4 times 4 inches inside or smaller, and I've done all the themes, all the 30 themes, and I've shared this album on my blog already, so you can watch the full video over there. And I've used products from the November kit, but also added bits and pieces from my September and October kit here too. And like I said, I finished the whole mini album and I liked this idea a lot. This will be a nice album to go back to in a few years' time to see what was going on in our lives and what we were thankful for a few years ago. So that's that. And then I created also 3 layouts. The first one I did was this one, and this was based on the monthly sketch. I used 5 photos which I die cut with the die cutting machine with a circle die. Then I added some stenciling with the Heidi Swap stencils using distress inks and distress oxides on the background. Decorated the page with sequins by Spiegelmom scraps, and the paper is by Heidi Swap from the Honey and Spice collection. And there is also some EcoPart paper, Cartabella stamps in here. These were in my first kit that arrived, and these beautiful flowers are by One Canoe 2, also from my November kit. And the next layout was this one, where I used the cut file, the monthly cut file. I cut several patterns, several ones of these leaf patterns, and also one, I used the negative piece on the background. This paper is by Pink Paisley. It's from Again and Again collection. I think it was number 6 if I'm correct. And then these elements here are by One Canoe 2, and I've misted the leaves that I die cut and added sentiment with these golden alpha stickers that are by American Crafts. Also here lots of Spiegelmom scraps sequins going on, and then these frames also come from One Canoe 2 Willow collection, also this one here. And that's it, that's the second layout. And for my last layout, I created a boy page of my boys using the Heidi Swap paper, and this one is from Pebbles, if I'm correct. No, sorry, this one is from One Canoe 2, and it's called Flourish. Yeah, almost made a mistake there. And this is the cut file from October, and I didn't use it in October, so I thought I'd use it, combine it with the November kit and use it here. I've misted it, cut it several times, misted it with glimmer mists, Then I've added decorational elements from Jen Hatfield and also from One Canoe to Willow collection. And this washi tape here is from Heidi Swap, and the sequins again from Spiegelmam scraps. And these tiny stickers here are also from the Jen Hatfield This Is Family collection. This is the pack of several stickers in it, and I've used this one quite a lot on this mini book here because these are the perfect size for a mini book, and the themes were perfect for this month's Grateful album. And that's it. These are my projects for this month. And now I'm going to show you what I have left, and I have quite a lot of product left still, so I'm going to be able to combine this with future kits. I've got the stencil still to use several times. Then I've got plenty of stickers from Jen Hatfield left in this booklet of stickers, and there are 2 more. Like I said, I used quite a lot of them, but I still have plenty of them left for other projects to come. And then there's still plenty of washi tape left. Then I've got a few die-cut shapes left too, so this deluxe kit goes really a long way. I still got plenty of sequins left, so I can make shaker cards. Then I even saved all the paper strips from all the papers that I had been using. I've got plenty of stickers left. Then I've got this paper and this one from Simple Stories still left, and some bits and pieces of this Jen Hatfield paper, and the whole sheet of Simple Stories So Happy Together, which I for sure will use in future. And then this piece, which I thought I'd be using for cards later because I cut it out from this layout. You can see here I've saved a big part of that paper for later. Then I've got some of this one, also by, I think this was Jen Hatfield's paper. And I've got one more. This is from the One Canoe to Willow, and this one I will still scrap probably this month because I wanted to use that one. And I still got the specialty paper from Pink Paisley to use. So lots and lots and lots of products still to work with. And I created quite a lot of projects because this mini album was a big project. It took a lot of product, but as you can see, there's still so much left. So that's it. That's my November wrap up. And soon we'll be sharing the December kit unboxing video with you, and then start with our December projects for the Wild Hare Kits. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and see you soon with the unboxing video. Thanks for watching. Bye!